Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting in store for all you content creators out there. We're going to dive into the world of artificial intelligence and show you how to supercharge your YouTube channel with AI optimization tips and tricks. If you want to take your channel to the next level and reach new heights, then stay tuned because we have some game-changing strategies coming your way. AI is revolutionizing the way we do things, and YouTube is no exception. Let's explore how AI can help you optimize your channel for maximum reach, engagement, and success. From smarter content creation to targeted audience analysis, AI is the secret weapon every YouTuber needs. One of the keys to YouTube success is using the right keywords. AI-powered tools can analyze trending topics, search queries, and competition to suggest high-performing keywords for your videos. Get ready to discover a treasure trove of keywords that will boost your discoverability. Thumbnails are your first impression on viewers, and with AI, you can create eye-catching thumbnails that entice clicks. AI algorithms can analyze the best visuals, colors, and elements to include in your thumbnails, increasing your video's click-through rate and views. Did you know that AI can recommend your videos to the right audience? YouTube's recommendation algorithm is powered by AI, and will show you how to align your content with viewer preferences, keeping them hooked on your channel for longer. Editing videos can be time-consuming, but with AI, you can speed up the process. AI-powered video editing tools can intelligently trim clips, enhance audio, and even generate subtitles automatically. Say goodbye to hours of editing and hello to a more efficient workflow. Understanding your channel's performance is essential for growth. AI analytics tools can break down your data, providing insights into audience behavior, watch time, and retention. Armed with this knowledge, you can fine-tune your content strategy for better results. Promoting your videos on social media is a must, and AI can make it easier. Discover how AI tools can schedule and optimize your social media posts, reaching your target audience at the right time for maximum impact. There you have it, fellow creators. With AI optimization tips and tricks, you can supercharge your YouTube channel and unleash its full potential. Embrace the power of AI to boost your discoverability, engagement, and overall success on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is AI, so let's embrace it together. See you in the next video.